In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop crafting and building from crashing. So there are multiple reasons why crafting and building could be crashing. And the first thing that I recommend that you guys always do, make sure to close any other apps that you're not using while you're playing crafting and building. So it's never a good idea to have crafting and building and like Discord, for example, running at the same time. Or if you have like multiple different apps, whether you're trying to watch like a YouTube video while you're playing crafting and building, that is going to cause strain on your device, which is not a good thing. You want to make sure that the only thing that you're running is crafting and building. Another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you free up as much storage as possible on your device. The more storage your device has, the more it is able to go ahead and run games, including crafting and building. Now, another thing that I highly suggest that you guys do is make sure that you have the most recent and up-to-date version of crafting and building. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and update it. It is relatively easy, and you can update crafting and building completely for free, regardless of whether you're on an Android device via the Google Play Store or the iOS on the App Store. Okay, while you're here on crafting and building, be sure to go ahead and also try to reduce lag by turning down your render distance. So if you go ahead and press on video, you will go ahead and turn it down from there, and you should be good to go. So once again, these are all different things that you're able to do in order to honestly just make things a little bit easier. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.